What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Freedom to Explore. Today we are at the beautiful Garden of the God.
Garden of the Gods are these beautiful natural rock formations here in Colorado Springs. This little park is completely free, which is incredible, and you can just walk around and enjoy all of this stunning nature. There's hiking, rock climbing, bouldering, all that stuff. Obviously, I'm not really going to do that right now because it is winter and it is a little bit chilly. But you definitely can, and it's cool. It's open during the winter. You can see with the snow, it's just like absolutely stunning right now.
I feel like a lot of people have been to Garden of the Gods, but I feel like a lot of people have not been here during the winter. And I think this might be the most beautiful time to actually come and see this place. During the summer, it's just so blazing hot here that it makes it sometimes not that fun. So come here in the winter. You might bust your ass a few times falling down the stairs like I did, but that's fine. On the bright side, look how beautiful this is. This is so tremendous. Oh, it makes me so happy.
So there's like some good hikes around here, but just like walking around like on these paths is not incredibly strenuous. So if you're not into hiking but you want to get out in nature, this is a very, very good option. Like, are you kidding me? That's so beautiful. What the fuck? What the fuck?
That battle, clearly. That was close. I'm in the first half, but I really hope you all enjoyed our Garden of the Gods in 3 minutes video. This is our first time taking on a cinematic project like this. While it was a lot of work, I had a lot of fun creating it and editing it. So if you have any suggestions for improvements, go ahead, drop it in the comments below. If you like this kind of style of video, let us know that as well. This is officially the beginning of our month in Colorado, so we'll be spending some time both in Breckenridge, where we are right now, and as well as in Denver, so we'll be seeing plenty of good wintry content to come with that. So if you don't know our story, we are digital nomads who set out to explore 8 of the most iconic US cities over 8 months and spend a month in each city, and we're documenting those adventures here on this channel. So if you want more information about our journey and what we're doing, go ahead and click this link here. I'll have our intro video to our story and what we ultimately want to do. As always, like this video if you like what you saw today. Go ahead and hit a subscribe so you can stay locked into all of our content to come. And with that, I appreciate you all for watching. FTX out.